In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset a password for WPAdmin in WP Engine. This simple yet essential skill is crucial for anyone managing a WordPress site, especially if you find yourself locked out of your admin account. To begin, we'll navigate to the WordPress login page. This is typically found by entering your domain, followed by wp-admin or wplogin.php in your web browser. Once the page loads, take a moment to ensure you're in the right place. You'll see the familiar WordPress logo and fields ready for your username and password. But if you're unable to remember your password, don't worry. Simply click on the link that says "Lost your password," which you'll find right below the login fields. Next, you'll need to enter your WordPress username or the email address associated with your account. It's important to use the email that was registered to ensure the reset email lands in your inbox. Once you've entered your username or email, click on the Get New Password button. This action triggers an email to be sent to you, so now it's time to check your inbox. Head over to your email. Look for a message from WordPress with instructions on resetting your password. Be sure to check your spam or junk folder if it's not in your main inbox, just in case it ended up there. When you find the email, click on the link provided. This link will guide you to a page where you can enter a new password. Make sure it's strong and memorable to avoid this hassle in the future. However, if you're not receiving the reset email, don't panic. There's another way, which involves accessing your site's database directly. First, open your site environment in WP Engine and navigate to phpMyAdmin. This tool lets you manage and interact with your database without much technical fuss. Once inside phpMyAdmin, locate the table named .wp users. Open this table to find a list of user accounts associated with your WordPress site. Search for your username and click on the Edit button next to it. Here, you'll have the option to update your password manually. In the field labeled User Pass, select MD5 from the drop-down menu. This is the encryption method used by WordPress. Enter your new password and make sure it's something you'll remember. After that, save the changes by clicking Go at the bottom of the page. With your new password set, you can return to the login page. Enter your username and the fresh password you created. If everything's set correctly, you'll gain access to your WordPress dashboard once again. And that's it. You're logged back in and ready to continue managing your WordPress site effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and be sure to keep your credentials safe.